welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa Bubbles, and if you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button to keep up with all my videos. Today I have an unboxing. I'm so excited. This is my new 2020 planner, and this is from Bullet Planner and come in this really pretty box. And this is the first time I'm unboxing it, so I'm a bit excited. When I went on to Bullet Planner, you get to choose how you want the inside and the cover of your planner, and also the ring binders. So I kind of know what it looks like, but I don't know what it looks like in hardcover. So we have an inspirational card. It says, a little something to brighten your day. For a daily inspiration, place me on the fridge. I am part of a set of Happy Works collection. Really cute. So that's just telling me about this inspirational card. It's got magnet on the back so you can pop it on the fridge. It says, focus on what you're good at. Keep a tally of your achievements at work. When you receive accolades or a pat on the back for a job well done. On challenging days, use the list to boost your confidence. That's really cute. So here we go. We're opening up the planner. It's got this cute thing on it. Take that off. So I was gifted this planner. I'm so thankful for this Bullet Planner. Emily, she's been such a really nice person, and I'm so glad to be working with them. It's just a beautiful planner. So it does have the plastic over the top. I got Melissa Bubbles written on it, and this beautiful print. It's just gorgeous. Look, it's on the back as well, so you get the flowers on the back, and I chose a white coil there. So when we open it up, it says live in the here and now. Really beautiful. And I chose to have this pin kind of look. So it looks like the pieces of paper have been pinned in or washi taped in. I thought that was the cutest thing. So yes, you have belongs to, name, phone, and then it's got your key, and then you can add other pictures that you use for notation and stuff. On this side we have emergency numbers, friends, family, other useful numbers. It's got doctor, vet, school, insurance, gas, water, electricity, all of those kinds of things. Don't mind that. I think someone's cutting the lawn outside. Your goals. It's got personal, health and fitness, career, financial, and then you've got two boxes down the bottom to do however you want to do it, whatever goals you want to add to that. This planner is exactly how I would plan out mine, because I used to use the bullet journal system until I got this one, so I'm a bit excited about that. So then we have the months. So yeah, I just love how it looks like it's just been pinned in with a cute little pin, and every month is there. Really cute for 2020. We've got future dates, so they're all they look like they've been washi taped in. So each month has its own little sticky washi thing, and you can put in future dates of, say, if you've got a birthday in September, you write it in there. Birthday list. Well, you don't have to write it on the other page, but you can write your birthday list here. This just looks like it's being coiled in. So cute. Birthday gift list. So name, gift, and value, which is really good for keeping an eye on your budget, I guess. Christmas gift list. This one's a good one. I always have one of these in my diaries, and I actually always have a books to read list, which this is really cute because it just looks like a shelf of books, and then I can write in the spine the name of the books that I want to read. I'm really excited about this planner, you guys. So a holiday planner. Here it says where and the dates, packing, where to stay, transportation, what to do, what to see, and then 2 extra empty ones so you can fill those out. Got a couple of pages of those. Favorite recipes, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and sweets. And then you've got some empty ones to fill out however you want to fill that out. Sorry guys, that's really annoying. Anyway, the cleaning checklist. So daily, weekly, weekly maintenance, yearly zones, monthly zones, and then each to your own. So this is a good little plan ahead if you have to do a deep house clean, like a spring clean kind of thing. I always like to plan those out. Now we have a master task list, priority, task, and done. I have one of these in my bullet journal. It's like just trying to keep it, just so I know that if there's something that I have to get done, I'll have it there. I'll know what kind of priority it is, and then I get to tick it off. I love that satisfying tick when I've done my tasks. I don't usually use a page like this, but I could start because I am starting to forget my passwords. But this is a passwords page. It's got website, username, password, and notes. So you've got lots of boxes to fill those out because we have like passwords for everything. Then there's a cute little quote that says, "By being yourself, you put something wonderful in the world that wasn't there before." And then you've got another notes page. Now this is the start of January, and I'm not sure, I think this is a Taurus. I love this. You can colour it in, you can leave it plain. It's all the star signs for each month. So February, March, April, May, and June. And then I'll show you mine because I love mine. Mine's a Leo. So I've got a cute little line there. I'll go through I'll go through January so you can see. So we have, I'll turn it this way. So we have the month in a bigger spread kind of thing. At the start. Then on the next page, it has December, January. It has Monday the 30th, Tuesday the 31st, and Wednesday the 1st of January. So it starts off a couple of days in December. And it has the whole box that you can write in. And it has a checklist just here. And then your notes here. And this is the whole week. And they give you like all the weeks in January. All the same, this is how I chose I wanted my setup to go long ways. You can go horizontally. Well, horizontally, I did go horizontally. You can go vertically if you like. It's all there on the website. So this one starts the 1st of February here. And then you get your habit tracker. This is what I really wanted. So you put your habit in this column and you colour in this square if you did it for the day, and then for the whole month you can get your reward. You can write down a reward, you don't have to, but you can. So I love this because I have this in my bullet journal also, and I was really wanting a setup like this where I don't have to actually draw it, I can just fill it in. So all the months are pretty much exactly the same, and I will skip to the end to show you what else they have. So you do get a notes page in the end of each month, and this, after December, you get a couple of notes. You also get some dotted pages, which I like because I'm used to the bullet journal. Then we've got how I have grown in 2020. It's got my most unforgettable moments, best things I've done, new things I've tried, most important things I've learnt, best places I've seen, books I've read, goals I've achieved, and to try again next year. And it says how I plan to grow in 2021. I will break the habits. I will learn how to. A good deed I'm going to do. I will visit. I will read. I will try. I will accomplish. I will get better at. And then it says, we hope you have had a super organized, enjoyable bullet planner. See you again next year. They do have these strings here, this ribbon here, which you can obviously put in the month that you're up to. And there's also this cute pocket in the back. It's a pink one. It's got these little scalloped edges, and it's back and front, which is awesome. And that's the end of the planner. So I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing. I will do some plan with me's definitely in this bad boy. I also have a 2019 version, which is exactly the same, except this has a different pattern in it. As you can see, this one's linked, and it just looks like it's got little links in there. Still has your zodiac sign, still has the habit tracker. It has exactly the same things, it's just the pattern is different. And for the rest of this year, I can't wait to plan in this one, and for next year I'm super excited to plan in this one. So thank you so much for watching. And are you using a 2020 planner? Have you chosen which one you're going to use? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will leave the link to the bullet planner in my description. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.